Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox account tied to the console because the console ID is bound to that profile. Once signed in, press the Xbox button to open the guide and navigate to System quickly. This gets you to the device settings where ID Live. Make sure the console is online so the system can show registration and network details. If you cannot sign in, try a local profile temporarily to reach the system menu and continue with the next steps. Once in System, choose Settings, then open Console Info to expose the console ID and serial number. This is the central screen you need. Read the console ID exactly as shown because a single-digit mistake will misidentify the device when contacting support or registering. If you plan to copy it later, take a clear photo now. This prevents transcription errors. Also, write down the OS build and console model. They help with context if you report issues or check warranty status. Finally, confirm the console ID by checking your Microsoft account devices online to ensure the string matches. This verifies ownership and registration. If the console info screen is missing or shows blank fields, restart the console and check again because a simple reboot often restores system reporting. If problems persist, record the console ID and serial, then contact Xbox support for account or hardware assistance. They will ask for these exact values, so have your photo or notes ready to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.